Hi everybody, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 408 Ford 480 horsepower turnkey engine for our customer's 1966 Mustang. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the 408 stroker, power force pistons, roller lifter camshaft in there, brand new timing cover, new fuel pump, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, all the gas filter and fittings hooked up, oil pressure extension installed, proper oil pan for the 66 Mustang, front sump oil pan, brass freeze plugs, engine block painted the red, aluminum cylinder heads on there. It's real nice red ignition wires with all the wire markers, distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring and bracket on there, polished ball milled valve covers with a matching air cleaner and washable filter. We have the proper automatic flex plate for the 408 Ford, proper tooth count and balance, proper flex plate for the customer's transmission, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy hookups, heavy duty Russell PCV ventilation line. We have the chrome dipstick and tube. It's real nice. Raptor pulley kit, 8-rib serpentine belt, heavy duty, self-tensioning belt tensioner, high flow aluminum water pump, lower hose on the passenger side, correct for the 66 Mustang, correct thermostat housing, thermostats installed, bypass hose, 160 amp chrome alternator, 1-wire hookup, power steering pumps on there, all set. Every engine, the Engine Factory is live run for over 45 minutes. You'll get a video of your engine running in stand, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, timing will be set, carburetor fully adjusted, ready to go, custom built. So there you have it again, our 408 Ford 480 horsepower roller cam engine. Thanks for watching.